Well, folks, I'm L.A. Little, and this is today's short take. You know, the earnings starting to roll out here now, and one of the big tests is going to be what happens with the banks. You've kind of got this large range. I've got Wells Fargo up. Inside it, you kind of got a halfway mark in here. Wells Fargo reports this morning. It looks like they beat, but they're selling them down anyway. 51.15 is the last print, down 1.5%. 51.15 is going to take you right to this level. If I take a look at the number on this low, it's about 50, and 51.15 is it's right in this level here. So we're going to see Wells Fargo at least try to trade back down into the bottom half of this big range. And it's so important on these banks because the banks, are a large weighting in this sector, a large weighting in the S&P 500. JP Morgan reported last night. If we look at JP had the same sort of scenario where they report they actually missed, and they're trading down, looks like 85 cents, 1.38%, trading at about 60, 65. Swing point low is going to be the key spot here, 58.53, and then this low over here, 59.73. So if you want to put something on your radar to give you some sort of a feel as what's going to happen to the S&P 500, take a look at these banks as they come out. You got two of them out today: Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, Bank of America. They're going to report next. Let's just take a quick peek at those. Here's Bank of America. This one actually tested that low, it looks like, on lighter volume, 1460. No, didn't quite test it. So this one actually can test back down into the low. The key number here on all these is that second bar bounce right off that Mad Mash crash on Monday, back on the 24th, I think it was. So that low on the 25th is the number you want to watch on all of them. That's 15.25 on Bank of America. If we move over to Goldman and see if Goldman's trading about the same, and doing the same thing, 177.71 there. And then finally, if we move over to Citigroup and take a look at Citigroup, these will be all the highest weighting ones, and it's got the same thing. They're all set up the same. Key bar is 25th. Watch the 25th on all of them. That's going to be the key on the XLF and on the banking sector, and a big weighting in the S&P 500. And that is today's short take.